In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Linktree Starter account. Start by opening your Linktree admin to the links page. That's the hub where your links live, and it's a great starting point so you can see how design choices affect the way everything looks. On the left sidebar, click Design. This is your style control center, and every change you make here is about clarity, brand consistency, and easy navigation for your visitors. Next, head into Theme. Themes give you a solid foundation by pairing backgrounds, fonts, and button styles that already work well together. Choose the one that best reflects your brand's vibe. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You'll fine-tune each part in the next panels. Move into Header. Here you control how your profile details are presented. Keep it clean and focused. Make sure your display name stands out and that any short description is concise. Aim for balance so the header doesn't overpower your links. Now, select Wallpaper. Pick a background that complements, not competes with, your content. Subtle gradients and soft textures keep the focus on your buttons, while bold images can add personality. If you prefer patterns or imagery, keep contrast in mind so text stays readable. Open text. Choose fonts and sizes that match your brand tone while staying legible on mobile. A simple modern typeface usually works best. Keep headings clear, body text comfortable, and avoid colors that blend into the background. Good contrast helps everyone read with ease. Go to buttons. This is where clicks happen, so make them inviting. Choose shapes and styles that feel on brand and keep spacing generous so each button is easy to tap. If you're using outlines or shadows, keep them subtle, enough to guide attention without becoming a distraction. Head to colors. Set a small, cohesive palette, typically one primary color, one accent, and neutrals. Use your strongest color on the most important actions and make sure the text over your buttons passes basic contrast checks for accessibility. Finally, open footer, then click Save. The footer is a good place for small details like disclaimers or minimal icons, but avoid clutter. When you're happy with the overall look, saving applies everything to your live link tree instantly. Take a quick glance to confirm it feels consistent from top to bottom, and remember you can return to design anytime to refine. That's it, your Linktree Starter account now looks polished, on brand, and easy to navigate.